So in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can use your Instagram app in incognito mode. So first of all you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to click on a profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then you will have an interface like this, and here you have to click on these three lines in the top right corner of your screen. So then you will have an interface like this. So here you have to scroll down little bit, and then you will find an option called messages and story replies. So now you have to click on this option. So here you will have an interface like this, and now you will find an option called show activity status. Now you have to click on this option. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to turn off this option, and this is the way you can use your Instagram in incognito, because Instagram don't give direct option to use your Instagram app in incognito. So this is the alternate way. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.